Okay, so it's time to give you all an update from my workshop and my Toyota Supra iSpeeder car. After I post a picture of this car on my Instagram, I get so many messages in my inbox about why I am doing all this with the car. So I think it's time to talk a little bit of the car and the plans. So here is the chassis. It's almost ripped down. Only the front and rear suspension is left. It's totally stripped down. Remove all the stuff I don't need it. So there you can see it has some damage on the chassis after the last winter driving we did with this car. So I am starting to remove all this shit. This is one of the worst thing to do when you're building a drift car. It's removing this stuff. So the engine bay is empty. So this car was a right-hand drive. So I'm gonna convert it to the left-hand drive. So it's getting more practice for my drifting when my GT86 is left-hand drive. So it's easy. I have ordered a new steering rack. This is on the way. A pedal box, the same I have in the GT86. Yeah. I hope we're gonna cut off the front here to make some tubes. And maybe we're gonna cut it here to make some fiberglass. And I have spoken to my roll cage builder, Linnerud, who have made this amazing roll cage in my car. We also want to have the safety in this car, so we're gonna have the same roll cage. Because we are now many people that are driving on the ice and we are crashing all the time, and I don't want to end up on the roof without the roll cage. Here's the engine. This is my 2JZ NA. Just have a little check, and we're going to change to the VVT I had. I have it right over here, thanks to my good friend Matthias. So we're going to have some NA tune. I'm going to port this, change the camshafts, and put on the Motec M600 ECU and the PDM15, the keypad, and the Motec display. This is actually the same system I have in my GT86. It's so amazing, looks so sweet. We don't need all the relay and fuses and everything. We just have this PDM15. So that's actually the plan of this car. So it will be done for next winter, and I know many of FD drivers are coming over, like Jonathan Castro and Radan. They were here this winter and it was so fun. Drove up to Funäsdalen in Sweden and have 3 days with ice drifting and fun. So we hope to do that over again. And we're also going to use this car with some other events in this winter, like I did with Toyota Norway, driving ride-alongs when they have the technical seminar. So I drove around 350 laps on 4 days on the ice track. Of course, we're still going to use the sequential transmission, same type I have in my GT86. We're going to change to a new gear shifter, the same I have in this car again. the Drent. Maybe it's a little bit dark in here. I hope you maybe see. And I hope to get a fiberglass Supra dashboard for the left-hand drive. If not, I'm gonna put in a carbon GT86 dashboard. But I hope I'm gonna find some fiberglass in for the Supra, because I want the Supra dashboard in the Supra. Fiberglass doors, of course, fiberglass rear hatch, fiberglass hood, and maybe we're gonna customize a little bit on the front here, because we are drive off and destroy the front bumper every time, so we have to do something smart here. They need to look good, and you don't have to order front bumpers all the time. So I hope you guys all liked my update on the Supra, and I want all of you comment below and tell me what you guys think about the upgrades and my plans for the Supra. I hope it's going to be good, and the horsepower limit, or what we're going to try to reach, is maybe 250 to 300 horsepower without the turbo. Maybe, I don't know, but I spoke to my tuner and he said if we do the right things, it's possibly I'm going to make happen. So I hope you guys enjoy, like the movie, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.